Smurfs in the Lost Village versus Carnival and Bats Final Attack Slideshow.
Low battery.
He doesn't seem so tough.
Yeah, Gargamel, that's what you get when you attack Smurfy Pro.
Gargamel, what are you talking about?
No, wait, this is a mistake.
Oh my gosh! Ah, man, what pee?
Papa?
Papa? There's another funny word. Papa.
Nah!
Smurf Blossom, no.
Please, that's
Away from the papa.
Everyone.
Six! Ah! No glowberry!
Hey.
Dang it! Oh my god!
Where are the boys?
So, hello there.
I wrote a dragonfly.
Hi there.
No! I don't! Oh, not true! I guess
That's clear.
Hey, look, you four are coming home with me. Now.
Not so fast, Papa Thing.
Papa Thing? Are you the one in charge here?
That's right. I'm Smurf Willow, leader of the Smurfs.
I'm afraid that's quite impossible. Because I happen to be the leader of the Smurfs.
Whatever you say, Papa Thing.
Excuse me, do you mind not calling me that?
Well, if the thing fits.
By the way, where'd you learn
the
those?
bats!
Self-taught, actually.
Impressive.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome.
Okay, not really sure what's happening here, but what about Gargamel?
What is all this talk about Gargamel? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I scare you? No! I hope so.
Everybody run!
Prepare for Garmageddon! This way!
Spears, now!
Gargamel says freeze! That's right. Smurf tested, Gargamel approved, grade A, first class, high octane freeze balls. Freeze ball, freeze ball, freeze ball, freeze ball. Well, I assume they'll still work if I don't shout freeze ball. But we'll never know. Freeze ball, reverse!
Alright, I'm going through the pieces of wood!
Bag of Smurfs. Creation. You finally did what you were made for. Of course it is. Why do you think you left me here? Why do you think you saved me on the river? Talk to the flat. No matter how hard you try, you can't escape your destiny. And now you're really of no use to me anymore. Free fall! Ah, yes. These freeze balls are.
Get more rats, gas, trash! This is what I egg, to join it! No!
Because it was her purpose.
sorry, you guys.
Terrible. What?
No, Snappy. I've done too much damage already.
We're Team Smurf. We're in this together.
We're Smurfs. We did the right thing. I'm not even a real Smurf.
What
I'm
the
not
people?
a real
Yes.
Smurf.
We need more power! Faster, Monty! Faster! Yes. The jiggler's jiggling, the spinny thing is spinning, the smoke is going up, the bubblers are bubbling. Habada, habada. Perfect! Oh, it's almost there. Just keep running, old bird.
Here's what we're going to do. I pick this lock.
Yeah?
We swing to that shelf.
Yeah?
Pick up something heavy.
Yeah?
And use it to kill the bird.
Yeah. Wait, you want us to kill the bird?
Fine, we'll just knock him unconscious.
Cool. Awesome. Let's do this.
They have an escape plan, but they're going to need our help.
It's time to rock the cage.
Don't be weird.
Yes. Okay, now.
Nice too.
Stop that, Asriel! I can't calibrate my machine with all your incessant yammering. Oh, yes, Asriel.
Darn it.
Sweet mercy! It's another jailbreak! No, Gargamel! No! Quiet down! You'll all get your turn. In you go!
No, serious not.
Yes, that's the stuff. Oh, it's working, it's working, it's working. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel the power. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Check out my wizard mane.
Really, man?
When I'm through with these Smurfs, I'll have all the power I've ever dreamed of.
Almost all the power.
Huh?
Smurfette.
Smurfette, what a lovely surprise. Are you done crying in the woods?
I've shed enough tears for those Smurfs.
What's this?
I'm done pretending to be something I'm not.
Look out! What a part of the pieces of wood.
Impossible.
She can't be serious.
No, she would never.
Even if I did believe you, which I don't, what could you possibly offer me that I don't already have? A tiny little massage that I can't even feel?
How about
The rest it was there.
Yeah, right. What?
Just think of all the power you'll have once I reveal the location of Smurf Village.
Oh, let's see now. 100 more Smurfs, that's 10 times the power. No,
Creating
what
teen
power?
eyes.
Whatever.